In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix the Capcut no internet connection problem. So if you're getting this message that you see on the screen right now, I'll be showing you exactly how to fix that. So the main reason why you're probably getting this error message is because you're not connected to the internet. So you just need to make sure that you're connected to the internet. You can do that by just going to your control panel, and then you can make sure that you're on a Wi-Fi connection. So I'm on actually Wi-Fi, and you want to make sure that you're either on Wi-Fi or a mobile data connection. And then if you have checked that you're on actually connected to the internet, what you want to do is test out your internet to see if it's working correctly. So I'll just go onto Google Chrome right now, go into Google, and I'll just type something random into Google just like that, and then hit search, and you can see the internet page loaded up just fine. I can refresh it and it loads just fine. So that's the way you can check if your internet connection is stable. If it is stable and you're still getting that error message, then you want to go ahead and update your Capcut app. So go out of the Chrome or whatever web browser, go into the Play Store or the Apple App Store. And I was on Capcut there, but I'll search for it again. Search for Capcut, and then you want to make sure that there is an update available right there. If there's an update, you want to make sure that you download the update. It's not going to say open, it's going to say update. If there isn't an update available, what you can do is you can just find Capcut, long press on it, uninstall it, then go back to the Play Store or App Store and download it again. And then that'll give you like a fresh restart of Capcut with a new version. And then you can open it up and test to see if you have that internet connection problem solved. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.